if you ask the df.duplicated means, here the answer is going to be the 0. No duplicates will be there. In the entire SQL, no duplicates will be there. Each table will have the unique records only, separate unique records. None of them will have the duplicates. Right? Now, that is the main advantage of this SQL. If you are storing the duplicates means, then no need of creating the SQL part. I mean, SQL means database, structured database, no need of creating. Right? Next, it is going to save the space. When compared to the Excel, it is going to save the space. These are the various advantages of the, when compared to the spreadsheets, these are the advantages of the relational database. Retrieval of the data, updating of the data, efficiency, data consistency, integrity, speed, and security. These are the advantages of the databases when compared to your spreadsheet. Right? Now, this is the introduction part. Whatever we have seen is the introduction part. Next, we are going to write the queries and we are going to extract the data, or we are going to create the data, or whatever it is. We are going to see the queries from the tomorrow's class. For doing that one, in today's class, we have to do the installation. Right? How we are going to install the SQL means, it is not like as Python. Just download that one and right click, click, next. It is not like that. This is entirely different one. It is not like that. Not as simple as Python installation. So this Python installation, whatever the Python installation is there, that I am going to share you the PDF step-by-step procedure. Whatever the step-by-step procedure is there. Just give me a minute. Voice is not coming clearly, sir. Others has confirmed that it is clear. Just Santosh, can you check once again? Others has confirmed that it is clear. Okay, MySQL installation steps. So first one is you have to download from your Google Drive. MySQL 8.0.3, which is the installation file is there. That installation file directly I'm going to upload in the Google. If you want, you can directly get in from the website also. If you're either from the Google Drive or from the website directly. Yes, here just first enter the Google. In the Google, type the MySQL. Okay, just click on the MySQL website. In the MySQL website, click on the downloads. There is an option called as downloads. Click on this. Once you click on the downloads, just drag down. There is an option called as MySQL Community Server. Community. This is the free version. Okay, just click on this. Once you click on this, it is going to redirect to this page, just where you have to click on the MySQL Community Server. Okay, after this, you have to click on this. Once you click on this, now here, it is going to show the Microsoft Windows or Linux or with respect to Mac OS, whatever it is. Just you select as per your OS. And here you are having 223.6 MB and one is 657.6 MB. Just download which is the large size. If you are having with respect to data problem and if you download this one also, while installing, remaining part will be downloaded. First download or while installing, download. But 100% it has to be downloaded. 660 MB has to be utilized. There is no other option. Before or during installation, that is the question mark. So I'm just downloading directly 660 MB. Now once I'm clicking on that, it is asking to log in with your Oracle account. No need to create. Just say that no thanks. I don't want any kind of Oracle account. Just start my download. Okay, just click on this and it will start download. Right? In order to skip all these steps, simply open your Google Drive. Directly this file will be available. Right click and download. No need to go to the website. No need to open all these things. Just simply open your Google Drive and right click and click on the download. Right? Directly I'm going to upload the same thing. Same file I'm going to upload in the Google Drive. You can save all these steps. Right? Next, we have to start the installation process. First, after downloading, anyways, in my system also I have to download. This is my new system. So I have to download and I have to install. First time I'm installing. Just wait for, it will take almost half an hour. Almost half an hour to 40 minutes it will take. So just once it is downloaded in your downloads folder, double click on that. Once you double click on that, you'll get the first page like this, out of which you have to select the developer default. This one you have to select and click on the next. Once this is done, Now it is going to ask some kind of Visual Studio or C or C++ or with respect to Java or Python, something was installed. It will ask the connectors and select this one and click on the next. Okay. And after that, just next, and it is asking the missing requirements are there. That also has to be installed. Yes. Click on the X. Okay. Click on the yes. Okay. Once you click on the X, steps are most important. Steps are most important. If you don't follow the process and somewhere you have clicked something miss, the only option you are having is uninstall and reinstall. If something you have made a mistake miss, again you have to uninstall entire things, right? So just click on the execute. Here there is an option called as execute. Every page, whatever the things while installing, you'll get everything I have taken in the same manner. In my case, already downloaded. Let me open this one. And it will take almost 40 minutes, right? Waste of time, right? Just click on the execute. Now this part, whatever this part is, that this will take more time. This part only will take more time. This particular page only will take more time to install each and everything. So once each and everything was installed, you are going to get a green tick marks like this till the last. Once everything, all the green tick marks you have got, click on the next. And once this is done, you'll redirect to the next page where it is going to have the server connections. So just click on the next. Now here, most important part is there. What is the name is there? Just observe the name. Okay, don't edit the name. Just observe. Just see. Okay, and click on the next. Here there is a name and here is the port number. Just both of them observe only. Don't do any modifications. Okay. And here next it is going to ask the password. In order to enter into your database, it will ask the password. Okay, it will be saved, security. If you want to open, for example, in your system, for example, my system is open like this. In my system, if you open some of the folders, just if you are clicking on this and if you are opening with respect to some NIT inside this, and if you are opening this liver patient, something. So this data set is open. It is not asking any permissions. But for example, this file I am going to save and I am going to keep some kind of password. Then it will ask the password, and if you have entered the right password only, it will open the data. That is the lock, simple file lock, right? So similarly, here also we are having for the entire database, there is a lock. For that lock, you have to keep some kind of password, and this password you have to remember. For example, you have forgot the password. There is no option called as forgot password. There is no, once you click on that, it will send one type of mail, OTP to your phone number or something, a link to your mail ID. There you can reset. Nothing is available. If you have forgot the password, what is the best option means? Uninstall and reinstall. That is the only best option. If you want, you can type in the Google also. In the Google, they will show one step-by-step procedure. Everything they will write. After writing from top to bottom everything, at the last one sentence will be there. Instead of doing all these things, please reinstall. Just if you want, you can go to the Google. Right? If you forgot the password means it is going to be difficult. So please keep the password as simple as that. Whatever you can remember. I have kept the password as 1234. Okay? Sir, why are you saying the password? Anyways, after that I will type, you will see. It is better to say only, right? So 1234, I have kept a simple password of 1234. Right? Next, once this is completed, now you are going to enter. Next, once this is done, again, there is an option called as execute. Just click on the execute. Next, you will get the page like this. After that, click on the finish. And after finish, again, it will ask with respect next. Means connecting. Now it is connected. Up to here, installation is done. Now you are going to get connected. Now when you have connected, it will ask with respect to finish. And here, again, next, it will ask the password. What are the password you have entered earlier? You have saved, right? That password you have to re-enter once again and check that password. And if you get the green tick mark, there is a green tick mark here. If you get the green tick mark, then click on the next. If you don't get the green tick mark, go back. Right? And click on the next. And after next, just execute once again. And after that, finish. Again next. Again execute. Again finish. In this way, you are going to complete the installation. Okay? Is that clear, guys? And once everything is done, just you are going to open in the Windows search button. Here you are going to type the MySQL. How we have worked for IDE, that is Jupyter Notebook. Similar way we are having for MySQL also IDE, which is called as Workbench. Using command prompt also you can work. Using the Workbench also you can work. I will show you both of them. Okay. So just installation. Please complete the installation today, and tomorrow we are going to discuss the queries. Once we discuss the queries, you can practice. Right? I'm going to share you the installation file along with the installation steps and introduction class PPT. Everything I'm going to upload in the classroom drives. Yeah, whether it is a 32-bit or 64-bit process is same. Right? If your Windows is more than 7, Windows 7 means there will be no difference. Absolutely no problem. Yeah. If you have any questions, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave. Are we going to take a class on this Saturday? No, I'm not going to take any class on this Saturday. Sir, we need to connect it to our Jupyter Notebook or Python. That I'll show you. How to connect, that I'll show you in the further. చూసాను కానీ దొరకలేదమ్మా నాకు కూడా. నీకు నచ్చిన డేటా సబ్మిట్ ప్రిడిక్షన్స్ లేకపోతే ఉంది, డౌన్లోడ్ కొట్టుకో. ఎన్నో అన్ని డేటా సెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదా, డౌన్లోడ్ చేయి. నీకు నచ్చిన డేటా సెట్ ఏదో ఒకటి. డౌన్లోడ్ ఆఫ్ డేటా సెట్ కి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. సబ్మిట్ ప్రిడిక్షన్స్ అంటే నువ్వు కాగల్ ర్యాంక్ సబ్మిట్ చేయలేవు, కానీ కాగల్ ర్యాంక్ తో సంబంధం, కాగల్ ర్యాంక్ కి నువ్వు టైటానిక్ అని ఏదో ఒకటి ఉంది కదా, నీకు అది రెజ్యూమ్ లో రాసుకోవడానికే కదా నీకు కావాల్సింది. దానికి అది ఏదో ఒకటే ఉంది కాబట్టి అదే పెట్టేసుకో. మిగతా నాకు ఏమైనా కనిపిస్తే చెప్తాను. ప్రస్తుతానికి నీకోసం నేను మధ్యాహ్నం నీ మెయిల్ చూసాక గుర్తొచ్చింది, చెక్ చేశాను, చాలా చెక్ చేశాను, బట్ ఎక్కడ దొరకల. ఓకేనా, చేసాయి లోపల బెస్ట్. Sir, Chaitanya is asking, sir, how many days it will take to complete SQL? Maximum 10 days. Maximum 10 days. Not more than that. Yes, SQL file I'm going to upload in the Google Drive. SQL file I will upload. Along with that, notes I will upload. Along with that, installation file also, installation steps also I will upload. The PDF also I will upload. Okay, installation process PDF also I will upload. Every slide to slide. Once you click on the next, immediately what is the slide you are going to get? As it is I have done. I have kept in the PDF. Recordings, yes, I will contact to the Naresh IT team and I will get the recordings tomorrow and then I will upload. Because just now the class is getting completed means it has to be processed inside the server, right? I mean in the cloud. Seventh batch students, they'll get as usual, common. How you are going to get. Remaining 10:30 batch students and 9 AM batch students, you'll get separately. Could you please share how to install on Linux? I'm on the Chromebook. Shrikant, yes, there is one video on the Linux, how to install the MySQL on Linux. There is a video, YouTube video. Just I'm going to share you that link. Just you can follow the process of step-by-step process. Right? Done. Yes, NASCOM exam. So whenever there is a NASCOM related that information, I'll share immediately. Whenever the time comes, automatically I'll share. We will discuss. 100% we will discuss. I am going to share every day the link. Link is not going to be the same. The link is going to be different. Tomorrow also the link is different. Every day the link will be the different. Every day I am going to upload in the Google Classroom. Right, guys? Kaggle is online. Yeah, in the NASCOM, whatever we are discussing, only whatever we have discussed in the class, that is the only syllabus in the NASCOM also. In the NASCOM, SQL part is not there. In the NASCOM, SQL is not there. SQL is not there, Tableau is not there. Only the data science till now, today, till whatever we have completed today, that is the syllabus for the NASCOM exam for the 730 batch students. For 730 batch students, I am saying this one. Right? Okay. Thank you. Thank you all. Bye and take care. We'll meet tomorrow. For morning batch, we'll meet morning. Evening batch students, 730 batch, we'll meet tomorrow.